Hey everybody, what's up? I'm at my cabin in Minnesota and they just made this awesome new bike trail, which is perfect for skating, so let's give it a go. And that's it, that's a wrap. I just finished skating this awesome new trail next to a highway that was becoming super sketchy just because people drive so fast, and yeah, I didn't even want to take my kids on it. But now I have this awesome trail for biking, walking, skating, whatever. Let me know if you like this video and if you want to see more of this by subscribing, commenting below, and you're gonna get more Rad Mom videos. But let me know. Let me know by subscribing. Let's try to get to 1K by the end of the year. And then soon enough, we're gonna be in the snow before we know it. See you next time.